Alright guys, we're going to take a look at one of the examples we did from yesterday with 2/3 plus 1/4, but this time we're going to do it with equivalent fractions and with models. So to start off, we're going to look at 2/3, and we're going to start finding our equivalent fractions just like we did yesterday. So we've got 2/3, 4/6, 6/9, 8/12, and we're going to go ahead and stop there and work with 8/12 as our example. So I'm going to create two models over here. The first one will be 2/3. The second one is going to be 8/12. Now for 2/3, we have the box split into thirds, so I'm going to go ahead and shade in 2 of those thirds. So now we have 2/3. For the second one, we have 12 open boxes, and I'm going to shade in 8. Now, as you can see, the 2/3 and the 8/12 fill up the same amount on those two models. So we know that 2/3 and 8/12 are equivalent. Next, we're going to go to 1/4 and do the same process. So we've got 1/4, 2/8, 3/12, and bam, we have a common denominator, the number 12. So now we're going to make 2 more models, the first one being 1/4, and the second being 3/12. So as you can see, 1/4 is already shaded in for our one part out of the 4 total parts. So for our 3/12, we have 12 open spots, and we're going to shade in 3. And once again, you can see that these fractions are equivalent because they fill up the same amount. So now that we have 2 fractions with common denominators, we can go ahead and add those 2. So we're going to add 8/12 plus 3/12, and all we have to do is add the numerator while the denominator stays the same. So our answer will be 11/12. And with the model, we can just take those 3/12 down here and we can move it right up to here. So we shade in those 3 and block it off there, and we have 11/12.